So I got obsessed with their serum. It came as a sample and I got hooked. So I wanted to share some Dior Christmas gift ideas with you. And this is a Dior Capture Totale gift set. This is a box it comes in, again, beautiful, ready to gift. When you buy this, it is expensive enough that you can use one of the codes. So double up, get those gifts in there. This is the beautiful makeup pouch it comes in. Oh, look, it's all coordinating. And then inside we have everything's wrapped again. The full size of Le Capture Totale. Now this is amazing. It works beautifully with their foundation. It doesn't pill under makeup. And then because I wanted to try the rest of the collection, it also has Capture Totale face cream. It has the specific Dior Capture Totale eye cream, and it has their cleansing essence. So just such a beautiful gift set, like I said, that's ready to go. It's going to come in the box. If you order the couture box, no extra cost. You're going to get this package and you're going to get the 4 little things inside, including the full-size serum. But because I used a code when I checked out, I also got this for free. So we got the Miss Dior sample. We got a smaller sample of the Dior Capture Totale serum, one of their perfumes, and Le Nectar primer. So all of that came in the gift set. And I also got a deluxe size sample of the Dior Prestige Le Creme. So that's why using these codes in conjunction to offers is so good.